Welcome to the SAP Architect, where we break down enterprise technology into strategic insight. Today, what exactly is S/4HANA, and why is it reshaping SAP landscapes? SAP S/4HANA is the next-generation ERP suite designed to run on SAP's in-memory database, HANA. Unlike ECC, it's built for speed, real-time data, and simplified processes. But from an architect's point of view, it's not just a technical upgrade. It's a chance to rethink how businesses operate. S/4HANA offers a digital core with streamlined modules, embedded analytics, and Fiori-based user experience. You'll hear terms like clean core, fit to standard, and extensibility. These aren't just buzzwords. They represent architectural shifts that influence integration design, master data governance, and long-term scalability. Whether you're migrating from ECC or deploying greenfield, key decisions around the material ledger, batch-level configuration, business partner model, and cloud extensibility are foundational, and they affect not just IT, but supply chain, finance, and compliance teams. If you're an SAP professional looking to lead, not just configure, understanding the architecture of S/4HANA is critical. In future videos, we'll explore migration paths, design patterns, integration tools, and what makes a modern SAP solution architect stand out. If that's the journey you're on, subscribe to the SAP Architect. Drop a comment with the S4 topic you want to see next. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.